I did mention several times in the past that I do not stick to only one skincare line or brand. I feel some kind of immunity. I don't know. Maybe I'm just trying to get the best results. So today, I'm gonna share with you what I purchased because the skincare products I've been using are almost empty. But before that, if you're new here, my name is MC. I'm into luxury fashion and lifestyle. And if you're into this kind of stuff, I encourage you to please subscribe. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you won't miss out all the videos I upload. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Here's the box where the beauty products came in. I purchased this from Rustans. It's good that they carry the beauty brand La Mer. So just want to show you. Of course, it has Rustans receipt. And it says, thank you for shopping, blah, blah, blah. I will also include the prices or the price of each product in the description box below so you have an idea. It's my first time to be using the La Mer skincare products, and I hope it's going to be effective just like the ones I'm using at the moment. Let me show you. This one is the Sisley Face Moisturizer. I've shown this to you in the past, and I've been using this. It feels really good, soft, smooth on the skin. But this one, the Sisley Moisturizer, is so expensive, and I believe that there are other moisturizers out there that can give good, if not better, results than this. So it's okay. If you want to try it, why not? And you know me, I just want to try this one. So this is the Ultra Soft and Nourishing La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. Oops, it looks like this. So there's a scooper or spatula, and the ingredients. So I just read that in a while. And it is known to give skin a luminous, healthy looking glow instantly. In the description, it contains miracle broth and lime tea for an overall smoother, plumper, and calmer skin, which we all love. And this is also for all skin types. The packaging is so beautiful, very luxury looking, and it comes in 3 sizes, 15, 30, and 60 ml. So this one is in 30 ml, and the price is 11,100 pesos. So next we have this La Mer Renewal Oil. It's highly potent, multitasking dual phase oil. It is known to restore skin's natural collagen and firmness, which we all need, of course. It gives younger, firmer appearance and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Wow, This oil can be used also on our nails and hair and other areas of the body. So again, this is suitable for all skin types, and it is available in the sizes 15 and 30 ml. And mine is in 15 ml because I just want to try it first if it's really effective. So the price is 7,600 pesos. Now this is the La Mer, the treatment lotion. This is said to give your skin a super boost hydration while toning and preparing your skin or your face for treatment. Check the website for the details, guys, the instructions, ingredients, you know. But this comes in 100 and 150 ml, and mine is in 100 ml. The price is 5,900 pesos. So these products are not inexpensive, so they better give me a better results. So I was also given the samples or freebies. These were sent to me by Rustans. Thank you, Rustans. It's a 3-piece skincare set from La Mer, and there you go. This one is a tiny moisturizer, just like the first one I've shown you, and this one is the treatment lotion. These are great for travel. And I love this. This is their cleansing foam. Great for travel as well. Oh, there you go. And they gave me this pouch. Really nice. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. And if you have any question regarding the video, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next one.